Hello student, I am K. Dev, science teacher of New Era High School, has brought a video on the topic pH of a solution. It's a very important topic. In this topic we discuss about how the strength of acid base and bases solution may be detected digitally, quantitatively, that give the pH scale. We are going to discuss in this video how acid and bases strength may be detected with the help of pH. We can discuss about it. First, we try to define the pH. What is pH? Here, the pH of a solution is a measure of the hydrogen ion concentration. The pH is the directly measure the hydrogen concentration, which in turn a measure of the acidity of a solution. Now, pure water dissociates slightly into the equal concentration of hydrogen and the hydroxyl ion. Here, water is slightly dissociated into hydrogen ion and water ion. Here, an excess of hydrogen ion makes the solution acidic. If the hydrogen ion concentration is more than the hydroxide ion, the solution becomes acidic, and when the hydroxyl concentration of hydroxyl is more than the hydrogen, the solution becomes basic. That is the concept of the pH scale. Here, if the hydrogen ion concentration and hydroxyl ion concentration is equal, then it will become the neutral solution. Now, an excess of hydrogen ion make a solution acidic, whereas death of hydrogen, that is the loss of hydrogen ion, or an excess of hydroxyl ion, that is hydroxide ion, make it basic. The equilibrium is constant, that is the ionic product of water for the reaction, that is stand for the Kw. Kw stand for the ionic product of water. It is the product of hydrogen concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion, and equal to it is the 10 to the power 10 to the minus 14. It is the concentration of product of the hydrogen ion and the hydroxide ion in a solution. The relationship may be expressed as it is the if the hydrogen it keep in the square bracket and hydroxide ion is keep in the square bracket, that stand for the concentration of hydrogen ion and concentration of hydroxide ion, and the product of the concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion give the value, that is the 10 to the power minus 14, and it is called the ionic product of water or equilibrium constant of water. Now, in this slide it is given that where hydrogen ion, it is the hydrogen ion kept in the square bracket and hydroxide ion kept in the small square bracket are the concentration of the hydrogen and the hydroxyl ion respectively in the mole per liter, that the concentration of hydrogen ion and the hydroxide ion expressed in the term of molarity, that is the number of moles available that present in a solution of 1 liter, that's called the mole per liter. The unit of molarity is mole per liter. Considering the equation 4.3 here, that the solving the equation with pure water, that is the concentration of hydrogen ion, concentration of hydroxide is equal to 10 to the power 7, because the concentration of hydrogen ion and concentration of hydroxide ion are equal, that is the 10 to the minus 7 mole per liter, that is also stand for m. Next, hydrogen ion concentration is so important in the aqueous solution that an easier method to expressing it has been devised instead of as mole per liter. We only use the concentration of hydrogen ion in digitally, and that is the excluding the mole per liter. We define a quantity of pH as a negative logarithm of hydrogen ion. That is the pH is the negative logarithm of hydrogen concentration of hydrogen ion. Here, so here pH is equal to minus log 10 of hydrogen and base is 10 and hydrogen ion. Now if you put the take the log here, we get the pH value of a solution. Now here it is given that concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution that is given 10 to the power minus pH. It is the pH. At the value of, you put the pH here, it gives the concentration of hydrogen ion. For neutral solution, hydrogen ion is 10 to the power minus 7 or pH is equal to here 7. So for the larger hydrogen ion concentration, then the pH of the solution is less than 7. For example, if the hydrogen ion concentrated 10 to the power minus 4, the pH become here 4 and the solution is acidic. In this solution, we see that the hydroxyl ion concentration is 10 to the power 14, that is the 10 to the power 4, that is the 10 to the power 10. Since 10 to the power 4 is very small, 10 to the power 4 is greater than, very greater than 10 to the power 10, the solution contains a large excess of hydrogen ion, confirming that it is indeed the acidic. A solution containing a depth of hydrogen ion would have hydrogen concentration less than the 10 to the power 7, or the pH is greater than 10 to the power pH is greater than 7 and would be basic. The pH range of a dilute solution is from 0, that is a very acidic, to 1 mole of hydrogen ion per liter, and to 14 very alkaline solution. Solutions containing more than 1 mole of the hydrogen ion per liter have negative pH. If the hydrogen concentration is more than 1 mole per liter, then this concentration of the hydrogen ion is negative of the positive of the power 10, so the pH value of the solution is become minus. It is the so that it is more strong acid. Now pH equation may be also expressed like that. The solution for calculating the pH was proposed in 1909 by Danish biochemist Søren Peter Lauritz Sørensen. pH is equal to minus log of hydrogen ion, concentration of hydrogen ion, where log is the base 10 and the logarithm is as here stands for the hydrogen ion concentration in unit of mole per liter solution. The term pH comes from the German word potence, which means power, combined with H, the element symbols for the hydrogen. So pH is abbreviation for the power of hydrogen. Here one thing also clear here, that log base 10 or 10, suppose you take here and here, suppose that minus 3, the value of log 10 is equal to 1, and now here it become here minus, if they take minus here minus, take minus 3, it become minus log 10 log 10 is equal to 1, so the pH of the solution become here 3. It is the concentration of hydrogen ion, the power, negative power becomes here positive, that is the pH of the solution. Keep in mind that 10 log base 10 is equal to 1. How it is become here like that? If 10 square is equal to 100, then we can write here log 10 base 10 100 is equal to 2. Now power is the log of the value of the log 10 100 here. That's the concept of log. Now usage of pH. pH is used in everyday life as well as the science and industry It is used to cooking, reactants, baking powder, and an acid make the baked foods rise. To design the cocktail in cleaners and in food preservations, it is important in the pool maintenance and water purification, agriculture, medicines, chemistry, engineering and oceanography and biology, hydrology and the other sciences. We have usage of pH. Here pH of a solution, alkaline and basic solution, acidic solution is given. If the solution contains, the solution must contain some hydrogen ion and hydroxide. If the hydrogen concentration is 10 to the power 0 mole per liter, if the concentration is at 10 to the power 4, the concentration is the decreasing concentration here, then the pH of the solution becomes 0, that is the power of 10 here. Here the positive power 10 here, that is 4. Here 10 to the power 0 concentrated, then the pH is equal to here 0. If the 10 to the concentration hydrogen ion in a solution is 10 to the power 4, the pH is here 4. If the concentration of hydrogen 10 to the minus 7, that becomes the pH is 7. That's the neutral solution here. Now, if the concentration of hydrogen ion is become 10 to the power minus 10, that is very decreases, that is the pH increases, that is 10 become here. If the concentration of hydrogen ion here 10 to the power 14, then the pH of the solution become here 14. That so that it is the strong alkaline and pH is equal to 0, that so the strong basic. If the pH is negative value here, negative 1, negative, the solution is considered highly acidic. Now here given on the basis of hydrogen concentration, if the hydrogen ion concentration is 0, then the hydroxide concentration is 10 to the minus 14. Now here the concentration of the hydroxide is the acidic solution is less, but it becomes the greatest at 10 to the power 0, that is the greatest, and become the basic. These are the concentration. Here the concentration of hydrogen decreases, and here the concentration of hydroxide increases. At the position it become highly basic, and at the position become highly acidic. Now pH of a scale may be written also like that. Here given measuring of substance like that, pH. Here the concentration of hydrogen ion and concentration of hydroxide must be equal to 10 to the power 14 minus 14. It is the ionic product of water. The pH is equal to negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. H is equal to anti-log of pH here. And POH is equal to minus log OH ion. And OH is the anti-log of POH. Acidic solution pH is less than 7. Neutral solution has pH equal to 7, and the basic solution of pH is more than 7. Here given a slide here, some solutions, that is the sodium hydroxide is the concentration is here at 1 mole, the pH become here 1. 0, sorry, it become concentration is 0. In the beginning here, various, in the next slide is clear. Now here, it is the bleach, soft water is the alkaline, here the gastric juice. The pH of the gastric juice is 1, lemon juice is 2, orange juice is 3, tomato juice is 4, black coffee is here 5, urine is also acidic, that is 6, and distilled water, that is the neutral solution, is 7, and sea water, alkaline water, is pH become here 8, baking soda become 9, milk of magnesia, that is the basic, that is the pH is equal to 10 here, and the ammonia solution, that is the basic, that is 11, soapy water, that is 12, and bleach that is used in the laundry, the highly basic, that is the pH value of 30. Here the acidic solution has pH less than 7 and the basic solution is more than 7, pH value is more than 7 and the neutral solution has equal to 7. That is the measure of the pH of a solution. Here given some common example, that the effect of pH in the environment. Here the pH value example. Here the pH is equal to 0 battery acid. The battery acid pH is equal to 0. Sulfuric acid is the pH is equal to 1. And the lemon juice, vinegar, orange juice, soda juice pH is equal to 2 here, and 2 or 3 here. Now all, if the acid ran, that is the pH value 4.2 to 4.4, that is the acidic rain, and if the acid rain is have the pH value 4.2 to 4. In this case, the all fish die. That is the 4.2. That is the pH value become 4 here. Now next is here acidic lake, that is the 4.5 pH here. Now if the pH value become 5, it become the less acidic, that is the Banaras 5.5 to 5.3. In this case, frog, eggs, tadpoles, crayfish and the mayfly die. In this case, the solution of the lake, that is the water of the lake, is more acidic, so the organisms cannot survive at the level of the pH in water. Now here, bro, trout begins to die. If the pH become here 6, in this case some animal also not survive at the pH value. Now milk, it is also some acidic, that is the 6.5 to 6.8 milk. Now pure water is the pH value is a 7. Sea water, eggs, that is alkaline, the pH value is here. Sea water, the eggs, the pH value is here 8. And the baking soda that is used in the raising the foods and soft the airy making the food pakora, that is the pH is equal to here 9. Milk of magnesia, the antacid, the basic solution, which the pH value is 10. And the ammonia, that is the pH value is 11 here. Soapy water, that the pH value is 12 here. And the bleach that is used in the laundry, the pH value is 13. And the liquid drain cleaner, that is a very strong base, the pH value is 14. Now this is the range of the pH and the different substance carrying the pH value, and very important in the environment, and how the organisms survive in the water. It is measured by the pH scale. If the pH scale is more than the considerable level, then the organism cannot survive in the water. So the pH value may be very important for measuring the pH value, acidic and basic solution in our environment. Okay student, next video discuss about another topic. Okay, thank you.